Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2023 Cruisin the Coast event, and I came across a very cool 1960 Chevrolet I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
Man, do I dig that. Aubrey over at Professional Auto Detail sent me a picture. Said, Scotty, you're going to be at Cruisin the Coast. What do you think of this? I said, man, set it up. And I apologize to Kevin, the owner. I had an interview with him, but there was so much wind noise being down on the beach. I decided to do a voiceover. It was hard to understand a lot of what was being said. And I did my best to hide from the wind. It just didn't happen. And, I mean, what needs to be said about that car? Cascade green. You got 18s and 20s as far as the wheels. It's absolutely laying on the ground. Of course, it's on air, so, you know, it doesn't drive like that. To everybody that's talking about how it's useless like that, it would be useless if that's how it stayed. But it doesn't. It adjusts up and down. But as you can see, when it rests on the ground, it's laying on the ground. Beautifully done. Underneath, just as it is on top. I dig the color. It's a 1960 Bel Air Sports Coupe. Less than 10,000 built in 1960. It's a two-door hardtop. I love the interior. I love the insert material. The insert material is from a 1963 Chevrolet. I don't remember ever seeing it, especially in green like that, but that's what Kevin told me, and so I believe him. Solely stitching, did the stitching on that, did a very nice job on the interior. A couple of shout outs. Paint was done by Mike Fulbright, and Cody over at Popeye's Rod Shop built the car. And I met Cody from Popeye's Rod Shop, and man, I got this cool other car coming up that he had there too. This kid does an awesome job. Really builds a nice car. Clean. Works with other people. You see the interior, you see how the engine is. I mean, it's got the LS3 with the 409 dress-up kit on it, wheelwood brakes, just top notch. I wouldn't change a thing. I would drive this car from now into forever and not change a thing. I mean, what more could you want? You got all the late model technology, but you got all that classic 1960 style, and you can't beat it. Look how big that trunk is. Just cool. Sounds good, looks good, sits good. I mean, you could just go anywhere you wanted. I mean, I don't have a car. My Mustang has nowhere near that much storage space inside of it. And that's if you fill the passenger seat and everything. Man, that would be awesome. And you know it rides good. I just really dig it. I really appreciate Kevin stopping by Margaritaville, giving me a few minutes. Him and he was with a crew, and they hung out. They were patient. They gave me access to the car. Weren't in a hurry. It was just a good afternoon. And that's Cruisin the Coast. If you've not been there, there's nothing like Cruisin the Coast. This was shot 2023 Cruisin the Coast, Margaritaville Biloxi Resort. Yeah, that's where I stay. It's awesome location, awesome event, awesome people. Man, you got to check it out. It's in October. There's a website, Facebook, all that stuff. So there you go, from the 2023 Cruisin the Coast event in Margaritaville Resort. A very cool 1960 Chevy Bel Air Sports Coupe. Hope you all have enjoyed it. See ya!
Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.